Have you ever walked through a store, seen a gorgeous, high-end Christmas decoration, and then had your heart sink a little when you saw the price tag? Do you flip through magazines and think a home that festive and beautiful is completely out of reach? Well, what if I told you that you already have everything you need to make your home look stunningly elegant for the holidays? Seriously. In this video, I'm going to show you how to craft 12 expensive-looking Christmas arrangements using things you probably have in your home, in your yard, or can find for practically nothing. By the end of this, you'll have a dozen new, budget-friendly ideas to make this Christmas feel absolutely magical. The foundation arrangements. First things first, let's start with the basics you almost definitely have on hand. Think glass jars, old vases, and candles. For our first idea, a classic greenery vase. Just grab any clear vase. Head outside and snip some evergreen branches, pine, cedar, whatever you can find. Pop them in the vase with some water, and for a beautiful splash of color, add a handful of fresh cranberries. It's simple, fresh, and instantly elevates a room. Next up, the mini bud vase trio. Find 3 small bottles or jars. They don't have to match. In fact, it's cuter if they don't. Place a single sprig of greenery in each one, and maybe a tiny pine cone or a branch of red berries if you've got them. Group them together on a windowsill or an end table for a minimalist, charming vibe. For our third project, we're making a mason jar candle centerpiece. Take an empty mason jar and wrap it with a bit of twine or some leftover ribbon. You can fill the bottom with small pine cones, dried beans, or even Epsom salt for a snowy effect, and then nestle a battery-operated candle inside for a warm, cozy, and safe glow. And our fourth idea is the upcycled tray display. Find any tray, a cutting board, or even a pretty plate. Group a few candles of different heights in the middle and surround them with pine cones and any extra ornaments you might have lying around. This creates a beautiful, contained centerpiece that's perfect for a coffee table. Natural elements arrangements. Nature gives us the best and cheapest decorating materials. For our fifth arrangement, let's create a dried orange and cinnamon garland. Just slice an orange thinly and bake the slices at a low temperature for a couple of hours until they're completely dry. String them onto twine, alternating with cinnamon sticks from your spice rack. It looks so rustic and smells absolutely incredible. Idea number 6 is a pine cone and berry bowl, and this one is almost effortless. Fill a decorative bowl from your kitchen with pine cones you've collected. Tuck in a few sprigs of greenery from your yard and, if you have any, a few faux or real red berries. It's a classic look that literally takes seconds to put together. Okay, we're halfway through. I'm dying to know, which of these ideas has been your favorite so far? Let me know in the comments below. Now for number 7, the single branch statement. Never underestimate the power of simplicity. Find one interesting looking branch in your yard and place it in a plain glass bottle or vase. It's modern, architectural, and proves that sometimes, less is so much more. For our 8th idea, we'll create snowy pine cones. This is a fantastic one to do with kids. Just lightly paint the tips of your pine cones with a little white craft paint, or brush on some glue and sprinkle them with glitter or Epsom salt. Let them dry, and then you can pile them in a bowl or tuck them into your other arrangements for that perfect touch of winter frost. If you're loving these budget-friendly ideas and want more ways to make your home beautiful without emptying your wallet, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Repurposed and creative arrangements. Alright, let's get a little more creative. For our 9th idea, we're making a book page garland. If you have an old book that's falling apart, you can give it a new life. Cut the pages into strips or fun shapes, then fold them, loop them, or string them together. It makes a wonderfully neutral, textured garland that adds vintage charm to a mantle or a tree. Our 10th idea is a floating cranberry centerpiece. This one is so simple but looks incredibly elegant. Fill a clear glass bowl or vase with water, then add a handful of fresh cranberries and a few floating tea lights. The deep red, the flickering light, and the water create a stunning effect for a dinner table. For idea number 11, Let's make ribbon and ornament clusters. Have a few extra ornaments that didn't make it onto the tree? Gather 3 or 4 of them and tie them together with a beautiful piece of leftover ribbon. You can hang these little clusters on doorknobs, the backs of chairs, or even from a light fixture for a little extra sparkle. And finally, our 12th arrangement, an upcycled wreath centerpiece. Take an old wreath that's looking a bit tired. Remove any faded decorations and simply tuck in fresh bits of greenery from your yard. Lay it flat on your table and place a large pillar candle or a cluster of smaller ones in the center for a whole new look. And there you have it, 12 elegant, high-end looking Christmas arrangements made from things you already had. We used branches from the yard, fruit from the kitchen, and forgotten items from the back of our cupboards to create something genuinely beautiful. Your home doesn't need expensive decor to feel festive and special. It just needs a little bit of your own creativity. I hope this inspired you to see the potential in the simple things all around you. Thanks for watching, and have a very merry and elegant holiday season.